Well, folks, we're doing another arrangement for you, and we're doing a coffee table today, right here on my take on home and garden. Alrighty now, here we go for beautiful. I've got a couple more vases to do for the house. Thought maybe you'd like to see. I'm gonna start off the usual. Probably the lightest stuff I got for this vase. These giant dahlias in a couple of really pretty tones. Got this dusky violet this year in a giant dahlia. Really ultra cute. I think I'm gonna go with these white sunflowers again. Need some fill in around the bottom. Make it special. Just turn your vase. Get a few in. Split that up with some cream color. This starts organizing everything where it's not tipping over. Okay. Another giant dahlia in those tones. I think we'll put that in the back. And finish that back off. I'll show you the difference. Calling that the back because I got a couple things I want to use to highlight here. Look at that sunflower bud. Let's get them crab apples in. You know I want to use them. How about some whimsical see, we're starting to look fall-like. And there's no orange and no red and no brown in here at this time. Just trying to show that you can use more than that. A couple of accents. See, our flowers are darkening and turning for the fall. Now I want to use a couple things that are really different and special. A lot of people wouldn't think of lavender at this time of year, but if you look out in the field, I'm telling you, you'll see it. There's all kinds of different tones. There's thistle. There's sakuma in the south, finishing up in our yard. This lavender going in here. It's a dandy. Now there's red in that sakuma. I'll do that again with those. Maybe a feathery fern that's turning colors. Finish up that back. Complement that back. Let's check it out. Yeah. I need this burnt orange piece in here as well. And we're gonna put in another golden piece. A couple of cabbage rows just when you think we're done. Now we're going to finish up this table. I need some filler in that chest, some pine cones and pine. Get those acorns in. They're so perfect for fall. These acorn and nut branches. It's harvest time. We got grapes going on. Last little pumpkin. And I can't use enough of those cherry tomatoes. Getting down to the nitty-gritty, folks. Only a couple pieces left. Now, honestly, I'm hoping that you're having fun like we are and getting into your fall stuff. Here's a bunch of wheat ears. We're gonna mix it up. We got a fiddler fern that's changing color. We're gonna do that again. We're going to use our changing color fern. And this one's all about rusty roses. Autumn tones. Goodness sake, look at those. Oh. Deep golden rusty tone dahlias to split those burnt orange up. Look at that so far. Get that creamy element in. Break up that green. Maybe middle. Only one of them left. Got the brown. We'll do that again. Just separate them. In fact, I think I'm gonna like using all three colors of that. Because of that color scheme, I'm really feeling some roses in the peach. Now we're going to take you around and show you where it goes. Now we changed out our candles, and here's our end table arrangement. Little vignette of abundance coming out of the wooden chest. And that's called abbondanza in Italian. Thanks for dropping in. We hope you get inspired. Get that fall going. And thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing. We care about all our subscribers. Be safe, everybody. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next video.